Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Study Nepal. I am back with the today's one new video. So there used to be a time in which we used to buy a car and that car used to run manually front side and back side. By pulling or pushing, the car used to move. Nowadays this kind of car used to come. Yes, today I am going to do unboxing of this sporty car, which is a racing car also, and this is self-control or remote control car. So today's one video will be the unboxing of this racing car. So without any delay, let's start this video. So I am going to cut the portion where it is sealed. Okay, so now I am going to take out the sporty looks racing remote control car. Okay, and this is the first look of our car. It looks so much sporty type, and it's so much looking like a racing modern car, and this comes with a remote control and a car. So now I am going to open this one by one. At first I am going to open the seal of this remote control. So you can see this is remote control which I get here. In a car also there is a seal. I am going to open the seal here. Okay, so this is our sporty car, as you can see. So this is our car. This is the looks of the car, which comes with the remote control, as you can see here now. So the features of this car is it consists of two headlights which glow when the car moves, and then after it has a top speed which can be efficient for racing, and then after in the back side of this car I can see a switch, on off switch is here. As you can see there is on and off switch, and then after whenever we open this part then we can see a charging port. So here is the USB cable. You can charge this car when the battery goes down, and while charging one red signal glow here inside this port, a red signal glow which show that the car is charging. So now I am going to play this car. So let's check about the remote. So in a remote there is a two controller. This is a left and right controller, and this is up and down or front and back controller. So you can see this is a joystick types, same like a joystick type. So this is a remote control of this car, and in the back side of this remote control I can see a portion for the battery. So here you can keep a battery. I am going to keep two batteries here. So I have a 2 ASI 1.5 volt battery, and the total is 3 volt. I am going to keep this size of battery inside the remote control. So whenever I keep the battery, then a light glow here. As you can see there is a light in this remote control which is glowing when I do up and down here and there. So now I am going to do on for the car, and whenever I do on, the car start moving, and whenever the car start moving, the light also glowing here, you can see. And this is the left and right, left, and then after right, left, right, left, right, and then after this is a front and back. When you do front, then the headlight also glow. When you do back, the headlight will not glow, just blink only. In front, the headlight is start glowing. Now let's check the speed of this car, and then after the power of this car. So how is the today's one video? If you really like this video, then don't forget to like and share this video, and if you have something to say, then you can comment in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. In the next time with the next video, I'll be back. Till that time, bye bye, have a nice day.